First, we've got our granite silk plaster pack right here. To mix it, we'll need 5 to 6 liters of clean water for one pack. Now, pour your water into the bucket first, then add the plaster. If you're mixing to packs, go ahead and use 10 to 12 liters of water. Mix it up really well until it's nice and smooth. If you notice it's too thick, don't worry. You can also add a bit of glitter. At this point, if you want that extra sparkle on your wall, completely up to you. Just add a little more water until you get that perfect creamy texture. Once the mix is ready, it's time to apply. If you're a beginner, take your time and spray a little at a time so you can control it easily. But if you're an expert, go ahead and spray larger areas at once. Make sure you spray evenly and smooth it out nicely. You want that surface looking clean, even, and beautiful. Each pack of granite silk plaster can cover about 5 to 7 square meters, depending on how thick you apply it. And that's it. Let it dry properly. Once it's set, you'll have a smooth, elegant finish that really stands out. Granite silk plaster from Chetak Builders, Nigeria Enterprise. Quality that shines on your walls.